save money and you can make it at home easy. So what you need is a cold coffee, what I showed you before. Just put in the fridge, wait for 1 hour 30 minutes. Then you need caramel sauce. Then you need caramel syrup, which I got at Walmart. Looks pretty cool. Then you need a measuring cup, like this size, small. An ice cream vanilla. It has to be vanilla or natural vanilla, whatever you like. Crushed ice. It has to be crushed. It works well with blender and blends well. Of course, milk. Also, you need to prepare your cup. Then you need a blender, of course, and also a sugar. First, put 3 or 4 scoops of ice cream of vanilla. Doesn't matter what brand it is, it has to be natural vanilla or vanilla. I put it at 4 because why not? Then 1 spoon of sugar. That's about it. Next, your cold coffee, which I showed you before. And you need your measuring cup. You pour it in and make sure it's 1/2 a cup, like this. See? Once you put in a cup, then you put in a blender. Next, you need a milk. Doesn't matter what kind of milk you want, you put as many as you want. And 1/2 a cup is the same as a cold coffee. And put in a blender, of course. Put crushed ice in the blender. Just 1 cup, that'll be it. Next, you need this caramel syrup and put like 3 pumps. Next, you need caramel sauce. You can put many as you want. I put like medium because it doesn't matter how much, or because it has flavors in it. So yeah. So you score it like that. Once you got your ingredients in, let me show you how to do a Starbucks style. First, you need your favorite cup and your caramel sauce. Then you swirl around the cup to add some more flavor to your coffee. Just like that. Once I got all the ingredients in, now start blending. And make sure it's on milkshake button. Once it's blended, pour in your favorite cup, like this. Usually you add whipped cream on it, but I don't like whipped cream on mine, so we're gonna do like my caramel sauce on it, just like this. As many as you want, mine's medium of course. And there you go, your caramel frap, homemade style. There you go, your own caramel frap from Starbucks, $7. Just the way I like it. If you guys guys enjoyed this video, like this video, make sure to subscribe and comment on my brother's channel. And yeah, let me know if it tastes good. So, bye! It's Alexis. You probably don't know me. I am sister of Alexis. One, it's what? Oh, you're
the bloopers.
The blooper.
The blueberries.
The blueberries. Who?
I'm waiting for you.
I'm recording.
Huh?
Now you calm down.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll just cut some of this parts.
Yeah. I think my finally is cooled down, you know?
Well, hurry up.
Okay. Hey everyone, it's yes. What?
You go. How are you gonna do that?
I don't know. I wish people are not here because I could do proper professional, you know? Hey everyone. Okay.
Wait for me?
I don't know. I'm just like thinking the line like, wait a minute. I didn't think of my